Xiaomi Vacuum Cleaner Mini provides the user with a maximum suction power of 6000 PA and a battery life of 30 minutes. While it is a really good choice in terms of portability, it has a light weight of 500 grams. Two different cleaning heads come out of the box. One is short and one is long. You can easily You can easily attach and detach the heads depending on the area you want to clean. I mostly clean the keyboard and the surface of the desk, but of course you can also clean your car and the seats in your house. There is only one button. However, when we press this button once, it works in normal mode, and when we press it twice, you can have a maximum suction power of 120 watts. The dust container has a very compact structure. You can easily empty it. There is a filter. With this, it is possible